Where does a luxury car truly begin? Not on a designer's screen or a spotless assembly line. It starts in the heart of a steel mill, a place of fire, noise, and raw power. Here, iron ore, coke, and limestone are transformed in a blast furnace, temperatures soaring to thousands of degrees. The result, a river of molten steel, glowing with intensity, the car's very foundation. This steel must be flawless, strong, resilient, and precisely composed. Any imperfection at this stage could compromise the entire car. Steelworkers, modern-day alchemists, ensure the metal is worthy of the badge it will one day wear. Before a single bolt is turned, the car's soul is forged in this inferno. So next time you admire a luxury car, remember its fiery birth. Its strength was forged in unimaginable heat. This transformation from raw element to refined material is the first miracle in the journey. Even the most sophisticated machines have roots in something elemental and magnificent. Proper engineering starts here, at the very beginning. Once born, the steel is shaped in the stamping plant, a place of rhythmic, thunderous power. Giant presses as tall as houses transform flat steel sheets into complex car panels with a single mighty blow. The dies are masterpieces themselves, crafted with thousands of hours of precision. Getting the shape right is a delicate balance of force and material science. Each press exerts thousands of tons of pressure, giving the metal its first hint of identity. This process repeats relentlessly, each panel emerging with perfect accuracy. After stamping, skilled technicians inspect every surface for imperfections machines can't detect. Special lights reveal even the slightest flaw. This is where the pursuit of perfection truly begins. The car is still just metal parts, but already held to a higher standard. The soul, forged in fire, is now shaped with unwavering commitment. Human touch and industrial might combine to create the foundation of luxury. Excellence is demanded from the very start. From the noise of the factory, we enter the calm of the design studio. Here, designers sketch and dream, capturing the car's essence in a single line. Digital models refine these ideas, but the real magic happens with full-scale clay models, sculpted by hand. Every curve and contour is scrutinized, every detail debated. The interior is crafted to be both beautiful and ergonomic, a sanctuary on wheels. True luxury is in the details, the feel of a door handle, the sound of a closing door, the alignment of a seam. This obsessive pursuit of perfection separates good from great. In this quiet space, the car's soul is given heart and mind. It's a slow, deliberate process, true quality born from patience and passion. Here, artistry and engineering merge. The journey from steel to masterpiece continues. Now the assembly line, a modern marvel where robots and humans work in harmony. Robots weld the body shell with flawless precision, ensuring structural integrity. As the car moves down the line, human hands take over. After painting, the marriage joins body and chassis, a pivotal moment. Skilled workers fit thousands of parts, wiring, dashboard, seats, trim. Craftsmanship shines in the details, leather, wood, and perfect alignment. Each specialist brings pride and expertise to their task. It's their touch that gives the car its soul. Man and machine together create something extraordinary. In a pristine room, the car's heart, the engine, is assembled. Building a luxury engine is like watchmaking on a grand scale. Every component is measured to microscopic tolerances. Technicians install and balance each part with meticulous care. Often a single technician oversees the entire build, signing their name to the finished engine. This personal touch is a guarantee of quality. Each engine is tested on a dynamometer, simulating real-world conditions. Only engines that pass rigorous tests are installed in cars. When the owner starts the car, they feel the result of this precision. The heart of the machine beats strong and true. Before reaching customers, every car faces brutal testing. Prototypes endure extreme cold, searing heat, hurricane winds, and torrential water. They're driven across deserts, mountains, and frozen landscapes. Every squeak, rattle, or flaw is hunted down and eliminated. Suspension, brakes, and powertrain are pushed to the limit and beyond. This relentless testing ensures unshakable quality and reliability. Only after surviving these trials is the car ready for the world. It's a promise. This machine has been tested for every eventuality. At last, the car faces its final inspection. In a brightly lit tunnel, inspectors scrutinize every inch, paint, panel gaps, every function. Any flaw, no matter how minor, is corrected by hand. The standard is absolute perfection. This is the culmination of every worker's pride and effort. Only when it passes is the car allowed to leave the factory. The car rolls out, flawless and ready, its engine humming with confidence. It's no longer just a machine, it's a masterpiece, the embodiment of dreams, ingenuity, and dedication, born of fire, shaped by passion, tested to the limit. This is what happens when ambition and effort unite. The journey from raw element to rolling art is complete.